take a walk, just to walk a little way down the side as one we talk all about our wedding day, and only say that you'll be mine, and in our home we'll happy be down the side where the waters flow, down by the banks of the Ohio. Held a knife against her breast, as into my arms she pressed, crying, Willie, don't you murder me, I'm not prepared for eternity, and only say that you'll be mine, and in our home we'll happy be down the side where the waters flow, down by the bank of the Ohio. Took her by her lily white hand, and I walked her down that bank of sand. I pushed her in where she would drown. I watched her as she floated down, and only say that you'll be mine, and in our home we'll happy be down the side where the waters flow, down by the banks of the Ohio. asked for. Sheriff came knocking at my door. He said, young man, don't you try to run. You have to pay for the crime you've done. And don't you say that you'll be mine. And in our home we'll happy be. Down the side where the waters flow, down by the banks of the Ohio, down the side where the waters flow, down by the banks of the Ohio. Oh, all right.
Back
Carmen.
to the Ohio.
It's Carmen's Country Corner. Oh man, I got off to a tiny rough start there, but I pulled it right back and
Boy, did you.
got it, and then I got it in order.
You
You know, so the murder ballad ends up with her not being murdered in the first verse.
Too soon. Yes. Yeah, a
Gotta
couple of
do it
times.
just right.
You know, the
Gotta
song's
time it.
over before you start if you don't do it right. We got Bob Gothard come up here today and joining the band. Bob, thank you so much. You sound great.
Thank you.
Sounded good on that telly, man.
I'm glad to be here. I want to say hello to my friend Don Zerilli, who's tuning in from up north.
Well, Don, we
Don's
love you,
a-
man. Come down sometime and say hello. Come on down. Yeah, the telly sounds great, and I love that amp. That old Gretsch amp.
Oh man, it's a beauty.
What year is that thing?
Don't know. Somebody gave it to me.
Wow.
It's probably like
Somebody gave him the amp.
62 or something.
Something like that. What's it got? Is it 115, 112, 2? What is it?
210s.
210. Oh, that's why it sounds so good.
Sounds great.
All right, we got my brother Buddy. He's gonna come up here in a little bit, do some stuff with us, and my wife Susie's here today. We got Kim and Dan Hugot at the controls, and Marina's here, Buddy's wife, and of course Nellie showed up at the little. I don't know the dog's name.
Dottie.
Huh?
Dottie.
Dottie is here with
Dottie the doggy.
Dottie, the little doggy
More
dog.
famous than everybody.
So we're coming to you from Bob Smith Toyota, and yeah, man, it's hot, pretty hot today. We got a lot of fans on. We're hoping that won't distort the sound any, but it's just too hot not to have them on.
We have some of our biggest fans here.
We do. I got about 5 of them right now. And so anyway, a little later on in the show, if I think about it again, I'm going to mention a few people we met on the road when Sue and I took our trip in August this year. I wrote down a bunch of people that worked like at gas stations, restaurants, and I'd ask them their name and give them a card, a Carmine's Country Corner card, and write it down, and what town they were in. And so I'm going to shout out some of these people across the country that we ran into. They were
Good.
just great. How's the family with you?
Everybody's fine.
Ollie and the kids and
Ollie, Isla, they're all.
Isla. I was going to say
everybody-
Isla before you did because I remembered this time.
They're doing great.
I'm doing good too, yeah. Okay, so Bob, you want to do one right off?
Sure.
Okay.
There stands a glass.
Yes, sir.
The key to beat. 151 at the top, folks. Here we go. 1, 2, 1. There stands the glass that will hide all my fears, that will drown all my tears. It's my first one today. There stands the glass that will ease all my pain, that will settle my brain. Brother, I'm on my way. I wonder where you are tonight. I wonder if you are alright. I wonder if you think of me in my misery. There stands the glass, fill it up to the brim, till my troubles grow dim. It's my first one today. my first one today. I wonder where you are tonight. I wonder if you are alright. I wonder if you think of me in my misery. There stands the glass, fill it up to the brim, till my troubles grow dim. Brother, I'm on my way. Thank you very much.
Yeah, Bob.
Yeah, Barbie. You don't mind me calling you Barbie, do you? But that was good. So, Gary, you're not going to sing tonight?
I'll wait a little longer to see if my voice comes back.
Okay, well, we're going to wait and see what happens then. Okay, Paul.
Oh,
All right. Oh, I wanted to tell you something about James Burton. I'm always giving little updates because there's not a musician, guitar player in the country music field who doesn't love this guy and respect him. So I saw a little thing on Facebook. A lot of you people probably saw it out there, where it's a picture of him with his Rolls Royce this Rolls Royce he just bought, which is really kind of cool. And he was with Brad Paisley, and he said that he just finished recording some tracks on Brad's new album coming up.
that's great.
So I want to, I think it's awfully nice of Brad to call James with everything that he's been going through and say, hey man, let's go cut some tracks. I think that's great. And
Yeah.
James, I love you. You keep doing the good thing, man. It's going to be good.
Brad can pick a little.
Brad's a great player. Yeah, wow. But anyway, so is James.
Yeah, that should be a good one.
So do another one, Paul, and then maybe we'll get Buddy up to do one.
Key of F. Medium shuffle. Medium shuffle, the key of groove, 2/4. Oh, 2 minor 5/1. 1, 2. Oh, 1, 2. Don't look so sad. I know it's over, but life goes on, and this old world keeps right on turning. Let's just be glad we had some time to spend together. There's no need to watch the bridges that were burning. Lay your head upon my pillow. Hold your warm and tender body close to mine. Hear the whisper of the raindrops blowing soft against the window, and make believe you love me one more time for the good times. you'll find another, but I'll be here if you should find you ever need me. Don't say a word about tomorrow or forever. There'll be time enough for sadness when you leave me. Lay your head upon my pillow. Hold your warm and tender body close to mine. Hear the whisper of the raindrops blowing soft against the window, and make believe you love me one more time. For the good times, for the good times. I did that one for Don
Come on up,
McGinnis.
buddy.
That one's for Don McGinnis.
Boy, hey, Don, if you're watching the show, Paul didn't forget you this time. Yeah, we did a thing with you saw the Don McGinnis thing I put up when we were jamming in his
I
house.
loved it. It was so great.
Buddy, what have you been doing, man?
Just got back from the Grand Canyon. I don't know, I don't get it. Bunch of people looking at a big hole in the ground. Yeah, that's right. Anyway, no, it's beautiful.
It's big.
It's a hole. Yep. Okay.
Well, I tried so hard, my dear, to show that you're my every dream. Yet you're afraid each thing I do is just some evil scheme. A memory from your lonesome past keeps us so far apart. Or can I free your doubtful mind and melt your cocoa heart? Another love before my time made your heart sad and blue. So my heart is paying now for things I didn't do. In anger, unkind words are said that make the teardrops start. Or can I free your doubtful mind and melt your cocoa heart? You got it, Gary. before my time made your heart sad and blue. So my heart is paying now for things I didn't do. In anger, unkind words are said that make the teardrops start. Or can I free a doubtful mind and melt your cold, cold heart? One time around, Bob. There was a time when I believed you belonged to me. Now I know your heart is shackled to a memory. Closer than I get to you, the more we drift apart. What can I free your doubtful mind and melt your cold, cold heart? Why can't I free your doubtful mind and melt your cold, cold heart?
Good job, buddy. Okay. I gave him the choice. He could do two in a row or just do one later because we got Bobby and Paul and him, and I'm going to sing one. And so, buddy, thank you. You're sounding great. Good job again.
Where did you meet
Maybe I'll
Buddy?
sing one. Huh?
Where did you meet Buddy at?
I met Buddy at a place in Malden on Florence Street. The address was 11 Florence Street. And I was about a year and 2 months old, and then Buddy moved in. And I've known him most of my life. Well, for the first year and 2 months, I didn't know anything. I never met the man, so I didn't know what it was. I don't know. I mean, I got a pretty good head start on him. I was walking and, saying, little words like mama and dad. He wasn't even around yet. So he showed up, then I started teaching him. And we've been brothers ever since, and he's one of my closest. All my brothers are very close. But Buddy and I are kind of closer in age, and it was kind of like, Sonny and Lewis. And Sonny we lost, about a month or so, a couple of months ago. Sonny and Lewis were very close. Lewis was the youngest, Sonny was next. The next oldest was Buddy, and then it was me. I was older than Buddy, and we kind of paired off. And then my older brother Tony and our oldest brother Phil, they kind of paired off because we were all closer to each other in age. So even though we're all just as close to each other, we have that little 2 and 2 and 2 thing going.
How many kids were there in the family?
There was 17.
Whoa!
When we started, and we lost a couple of sisters, and then I just lost my brother Sonny. So the family's shrinking. We're down to only 14.
Well, let me ask you something.
Yeah.
Hey, let me ask you something.
Go ahead.
You're walking down the hallway of the house, you have to
Yeah.
go. What's your name again?
That's all the time. Yeah, I didn't know. I'll tell you something. I had 11 sisters. And when you got a family that big, you do a lot of hand-me-down stuff. You know, I mean, one pair of shoes the last 2 generations, you know. You go from me to my brother to the younger one, till they wore out, then start over again. So anyway, I had so many sisters that I wore a 2-piece bathing suit till I was 8 years old. I didn't know the difference. I mean, everybody was wearing them. I just put them on and go swimming, you know. Till somebody said, no, don't do that. And I said, I don't know. Anyway.
That's twice as much bathing suit as you need.
Oh, I have my notes. Another thing I was going to mention, unfortunately, talking about people moving on, we lost a very close friend, and all the musicians in L.A. knew him and loved him, Jim Salisbury. I know a lot of you people heard about that, but he passed away. Yeah, Jim did a couple of days ago, and I met Jimmy at the Crest with Don McGinnis when Jerry Freeman was playing bass. Jerry Freeman told me that Jim Salisbury was the best drummer he ever worked. He loved the way Jim played. It was one of his favorites. So did I. Jim was always friendly and good and did a professional job, played good. And boy, could he talk. He loved to visit, didn't he? He was great.
You know he was.
He was
Deborah
great.
Lee's drummer?
Huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, Deborah Lee. So sure, you dance to his beat many a time, Nellie. Absolutely. That's right.
Well, that's.
Okay, so I'm gonna do one. Let's do it. I haven't done Clayton Delaney in a while. Let's do that. I remember the year Clayton Delaney died. And they said for the last 2 weeks he suffered and he cried. And it made a big impression on me, although I was a barefoot kid. And they said he got religion at the end, and I'm glad he did. Now Clayton was the best guitar player in our town. Thought he was a hero, used to follow Clayton around. And I often wondered why Clayton, who seemed so good to me, and he never took that guitar meet down in Tennessee. Hi, Bobby, show us. And I guess if I'd admitted old Clayton taught me how to drink booze. I can see him half stone picking up the lovesick blues. And when Clayton died, I made him a promise that I was gonna carry on somehow. And I'd give $100 if he could only see me now. And my daddy said he drank a lot and I could never understand. And I knew he used to pick up in Ohio with a 5-piece band. But when Clayton died, I made him a promise that I was gonna carry on somehow. And I'd give $100. I love it, Bob. You can only see me now. guess if I'd admitted old Clayton taught me how to drink booze. I can see him half stone picking up the lovesick blues. And when Clayton died, I made him a promise I was gonna carry on somehow. And I'd give $100 if he could only see me now. And I remember the year Clayton Delaney died. Nobody ever knew it. I went up in the woods and I cried. I know there's a lot of big preachers and they know a lot more than I do. But it could be that the good Lord likes the way to pick and choose. And I remember the year Clayton Delaney died. Yeah!
Oh, yeah.
Thank you. So we're here at Bob Smith Toyota. We've been doing this show for over 3 years. We've been having a lot of fun. I gotta look at my notes. Paul, say something.
Oh, Carmen's going to look at his notes.
You know what? This has kind of been the death
And
hour
what-
lately, songs about dead people.
And what are in Carmen's notes? A lot of people. People, places, and things.
Well, I wrote, okay. Oh, yes. It's my brother's buddy's birthday on Tuesday. It's Paul's birthday on Wednesday. And Dan Hugott's birthday was last week. So if you want to get a shot of the cake, we went out and got him a little cake. And after the show, I didn't even put names on it. I just said, happy birthday. So, there.
You know who you are.
Yes, that's right.
I demand a name. Demand your name be put on the cake. Write in, folks. Bob Smith Toyota.
Hang on a minute.
I'd give them away, but my wife won't let me.
Okay, so we were in, let's see if I can read my own writing. We're in Denny's in Flagstaff, Arizona, on our way to North Carolina and many stops in between. And, see the bright lights again. And there was a place called the Wagon Wheel. It was actually, no, this was in Needles. This was our first stop in Needles. The Wagon Wheel Restaurant in Needles, there was a young lady there named Jamie. She was a doll. She gave us great service. And so we're going to give her a little shout out. I've got a whole bunch of names. I mean, I took names from people working at gas stations and restaurants mostly, because that's where you stop when you're on the road, you know.
Yeah.
And so Jamie was a doll. Then the Denny's was in Flagstaff, and that was Al and Joy at Denny's restaurant. A guy named Al and a young lady. We almost remember Joy, don't we? She was a sweet lady. And I got to tell you, I said this last week. When you drive across the country like that, and you're not just like driving through, you're making stops along the way. You take a little more time to meet people, and I got to tell you, this country's full of great people. This is a good country. So anyway, I'm happy to be here. And I'm glad that Buddy moved in when I was 1 year and 2 months old, because now he lives here too.
Good job,
There,
buddy.
I said it. Okay, one more. Gallup, New Mexico. Joanne, 25 miles outside of Gallup. When I said, I'm going to say you're from Gallup, she said, no, we're 25 miles outside, but she never gave me the name of the town. Maybe it has no name. I said, okay. But anyway, she was from Gallup.
Outside of
And her name was Joanne, and she worked at a gas station. So she took my money, and I probably bought a Twinkie and a Coke or something too, you know, like you do when you're on the road. All right, so I mentioned a couple. I'm going to get through this book before the year's out. I'm sure I will. We love you guys.
I'm going to have a shout out every week.
Ready to do one? Sure. How about that?
We'll do Ain't Living Long in G.
I'm a psychic piano player. I need no names.
trouble and I found it, son. Straight down the barrel of a lawman's gun. I wanna run, but I don't think I can. You make a move and you're a dead man, spreading living long like this. I can't live it all like this, can I, baby? He put the handcuffs on behind my back and let me freeze them on a steel rail neck. They got them all in the jailhouse, baby. They live it all like this. I can't live it all like this, can I, baby? Grew up in Houston up a Wayside Drive. Son of a car hop and some all-night dive. That drove a stock car to an early death. All I remember was the drunk man's breath and living long like this. I can't live it all like this, can I, baby? You know the story how the wheel goes round. Go on and take it to the man downtown. They got a wall in the jailhouse, baby. They live alone like this. I can't live it all like this, can I, baby? I live for Rachel, she's a roadhouse queen. Makes Texas Ruby look like Sandra Dee. I want to love her, but I don't know how. I'm at the bottom of the jailhouse, now we live long like this. I can't live at all like this, can I, baby? You know the story about the jailhouse rock. Don't wanna do it, but just don't get caught. They got 'em all in the jailhouse, baby. They live alone like this. Can't live it all like this, can I, baby? Piano.
Buddy, come on up here right away. Let's get another one, and we're gonna got about 10 minutes left. Boy, tonight's flying by, man. What do we need, Paul? You okay?
Yeah,
Comfortable?
I'm good.
Okay, man. So anyway, we're coming to you from Bob Smith Toyota. And
I think we should write a Bob Smith jingle.
Bob Smith's
Bob Smith, Toyota, Bob Smith, on Foothill Boulevard.
He used to play with all my toys and break them.
Yeah.
Let's go Tulsa time. TV. Kick it off and do his
Salsa time.
Hey, what do you want, buddy?
any way you want to put it.
What do you feel like, Johnny?
Well, I left Oklahoma, driving in a Pontiac, just about to lose my mind. I'm going to Arizona, maybe on to California. People all live so fine. Baby said I'm crazy, mama called me lazy. Gonna show him all this time. You know I ain't no fooling, and I don't need no schooling. I'm just a walking the line. Living on Tulsa time. Living on Tulsa time. You know that I've been through it. Gonna set my work back to it. Living on Tulsa time. Yeah, yeah. Well, here I was in Hollywood, wishing I was doing good, talking on the telephone line. They don't want me in the movie, nobody sings my songs. Guess I'm just a wasting time. Then I started thinking, man, I'm really thinking, really got a flash this time. Nobody would be grieving if I was up and leaving, heading back to Tulsa time. Living on Tulsa time. Living on Tulsa time. You know that I've been through it, gonna click my work back to it. Living on Tulsa time. Living on Tulsa time. Living on Tulsa time. You know that I've been through it, gonna set my work back to it. Living on Tulsa time. Thank you, thank you. Thank you, thank you. I love you too. Do I look any older?
I was doing hillbilly
You're
backup
okay.
with him. I found I can sing hillbilly. Living on Tulsa.
Here's where the
time.
mic should have been for Buddy, but I forgot to set him up. I gotta remember that, Buddy. You gotta raise the mic when you do a walk-on.
Don't forget to remind them that we do take automobiles that are
We do.
2 or 3 years old.
Yeah, no older than that.
No,
Yeah.
don't send them in.
Send them in. You want to donate them to Carmine's Country Corner, just pull right up here into the patio, leave the keys in them, pink slip on the dash, and I don't even have to meet you, just leave the car.
RVs only 1 year, please.
Oh, yeah, no,
they're
those are the
1 year
big
old.
problem. Yeah. Anyway, that's how we bought the Lexus, that's right. Blue and broken hearted me, holding to a memory. Since you've been gone, no matter what I try to be, it's blue, broken hearted me. And I never felt so down and out. Never felt so all without. Since you've been gone, no matter what I try to be, it's blue, broken hearted me. Bobby! And I can't explain the way I feel. Every tear I cry is real. Since you've been gone, no matter what I try to do, I'm blue, I'm blue, I'm blue. I can't explain the way I feel. Every tear I cry is real. Since you've been gone, no matter what I try to be, is blue and broken hearted me. And I never felt so down and out. Never felt so all without. I love you, Susie. Since you've been gone, no matter what I try to be, it's blue and broken hearted me. Blue and broken hearted me, holding to a memory. Since you've been gone, no matter what I try to be, it's blue and broken hearted me. End of story. How much time we got? We still got 9 minutes. Paul, do another one.
Okay, Bob, you or me?
You.
Me, okay. Freeborn man. G.
G. Thanks for watching the show, folks.
some odd years ago. I ran away for the first time when I was 4 years old. I'm a freeborn man. My home was on my back. Yeah, I know every inch of highway, every foot of back road, every metal railroad track. I pick oranges down in Florida. I pick a cotton in Alabama. I pick walnuts up in Oregon. I pick guitar when I can. I'm a freeborn man. My home is on my back. Yeah, I know every inch of highway, every foot of back road, every mile of railroad track. Hey, yeah, Gary Swan. I got a gal in Cincinnati. I got a woman in San Antone. Always love the girl next door. Any place is home. I'm a freeborn man. And my home is on my back. Oh, I know every inch of highway, every foot of back road, every mile of railroad track, every mile of railroad track. Well, I got this worn out bass guitar, carrying an old tote sack. Pawned it about 300 times, but I always get it back. I'm a freeborn man. My home is on my back. I know every inch of highway, every foot of back road, every mile of railroad track. Yeah, I do. Well, you may not like my appearance, you may not like my song, you may not like the way I talk, but you love the way I've gone. I'm a freeborn man. My home is on my back. Well, I know every inch of highway, every foot of back road, every mile of railroad track. Yeah, I know every inch of that highway, every foot of back road, every mile of railroad track.
Don't look at me like that, Gary. We had a lot of fun. I'm getting pointed at with 3 fingers. That's better than 1, believe me. But anyway, that means we got 3 minutes.
They would say it
Well-
between the lines.
Well, I think, Bobby, you want to close it out?
Sure.
Do one and this will be it.
Well,
Ramblin' Fever. Since we're getting out of here, Ramblin' Fever.
Let's do it.
Here we go.
Key. Key G. Key G. I want to thank you all for watching the show. Tell your friends, watch it next week, 6 o'clock, 6 or 7, every Sunday. We love you, and we'll see you next week.
My hat don't hang on the same nail too long. My ears can't stand to hear that same old song. And I don't leave the highway long enough to fall down in the mud. I got rambling fever in my blood. I caught this rambling fever long ago, when I first heard a lonesome whistle blow. If any